This is probably the best intro I have ever seen in my life. Today, that's right, we are playing this game called... Damn it. Today we are playing this game, Flood Escape, which apparently sucks because you have to wait forever for the round to end. So, I'm gonna wait now, I guess. Okay, finally. So, let's go up here. Oh my goodness. That was crazy. Open extra live. Aha, idiot. Yeah, boy. Oh, escape a facility. Which way? Oh, it's this way. Get on my... Now, oh no. Damn! I'm so bad I even lost. Oh, that was dumb. Hold on. I gotta get into another game, I guess. Oh my goodness. The game... I just got in here. Band kill 69. I just got in here, like, not too long ago. I'm not going, sir. Wait, there's... how do I don't get this game. Okay, I pressed the... Fuck! I'm the only one who presses buttons, but in the end... Oh. Hurry up, boy! Intermission. Yes. Are you serious? Oh, thank God this guy came with me. Oh. Okay, so hopefully this guy will help me. If I... Oh, damn, son. Go back up! I'm stuck. I just saved this guy's life. Honestly, I'm pissed. Oh, the game just ended. Wow. I really need this. Oh. Oh, god damn. I'm gonna do medium. Run there. Oh my gosh. Go in. Come in. We need as much people as possible. Honestly, I just come in and instantly there are people. Hard mode is ready. Shaken up. Oh, I wanna press the button, dumbass. Well, frick my life. What? Well, frick! Are you serious? Oh my god! No, that's just... No. Yes! Okay, I got right on time. I don't get this again. Hopefully I can finally survive this one. Okay. The only... Every time. Okay. Let's be careful. I gotta press the button, guys. Well, that didn't help. At all. I wanna go up. Damn, son. Oh my goodness. How many rounds? Let's see. Easy mode. That's definitely what I need. Hurt. Oh my god. Easy mode. Yes! Okay, we made it. This should be the level I should try to pass. Come on. Please. Please don't be a noob. Oh, there's the... Oh my god. That immediate... Damn, son. Get up! Okay, that was so close. That broke as well. Glass broke. Come on, we can do it. Move, acorn hair. Yes! Finally, boys! Come on. You should hurry up. Honestly, I don't think these both people are gonna make it anyways. So why even try? No, dude. Are you serious, bro? Oh, no. Oh. Dude, are you serious? Let's go medium mode. This is my last attempt on medium mode. Then the last round is gonna be on easy mode. When I made fun of these guys, I was like, why don't you even try? Then, 6 seconds later, I fall off. No, you go press the button. I am. Holy fucking moly. So apparently I have to touch this button. No! Someone has to. Thank you. We did it, boys. We are in. So we're back. And see if these motherfucking assholes can make it. What are you doing, sir? You don't need to do anything. That was dumb of you to do. First person. Now, where do I go? Oh, I see the thing. No, thank you. You dare make me fall off. Last round on easy mode. Let's see if easy mode is even an intermission. Nope, one more person. Okay, let's wait. Okay, right when I end off the clip, easy mode just goes in. Has an intermission. Like, what is wrong? Open extra lives. +1 life until used. Open maps. Unlimited choice. Choose a map once. Okay. Oh no. Okay, which one? Oh, thank you for showing me, girls. Oh god. Move! That is really rude of you. I don't know how to get back up here. No! No! What the Oh, well, this proves that I'm the worst at PLZ. Well, this proves that I'm the worst at this game. I should probably end off the video.